How to use speed ramp to create smooth transitions. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to speed it up smoothly with speed ramp. Drag from here so we can see the ramp. This white line is the opacity ramp, but we want speed ramp. Right-click on this small effect button and select time remapping, speed. Hold down Ctrl and click on the ramp where you want the speed to start. This will create this marker. Now drag up the line after the marker to increase the speed of the clip. But this is not smooth. To smooth it, drag right part of the marker to right. This will create a handle between the two sides of the marker. Drag the top handle to the right to add smother curves to the ramp. Now let's slow down the clip. While holding down the Ctrl key, click to add another marker. Drag the line after the marker to a value below 100% like 30 or 40. Now, like before, drag the right part of the marker to right. This time use bottom handler and bring it to the right to smooth the ramp. At last, right-click on your clip and select Time Interpolation, Optical Flow, and press Enter key on your keyboard. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.